How to fix you cannot find someone after unblocking on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix when you have unblocked someone, they have disappeared from your chat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat, and here if you have blocked someone and then unblock them again, and then in that case you won't be able to find them on your inbox again. So what you will have to do is, let me show you guys. First, I'm just going to block this person right here, and once you have done that, tap on manage friendship and then tap on block. So as you can see, I have blocked this profile, so it has been removed from my inbox. Now what you can do is find your block list here. So just scroll down until you find your blocked list, tap on blocked users, and then remove them. Now once you unblock them, you won't be able to find them on your normal chat. So what you'll have to do is add them back again. So search for the name, and then you can just add them back again, and then you should be good to go. Now you can start chatting normally. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.